Just imagine getting paid when your predictions about the world come true. That's basically what Polymarket does. It's not a casino and it's not a trading platform. It's a prediction market where real money meets real-world events. Polymarket lets you trade on anything, from who wins the US election to whether Bitcoin will hit $1 million, or if Tesla stock crashes by the next month. If you believe something will happen, you can literally buy shares in that outcome. And the best part is, if you're right, you profit. And the bad part is, if you're wrong, you lose your position. So if you ever wanted to turn your predictions, insight, or just gut feeling into profit, this video is for you. So first of all, of course, we have to create our Polymarket account, and it's super easy to do. It takes a few minutes. Once you're on the main page, you can also find the link in the description, click sign up, and this will give you multiple different options. So the easy option is, of course, to use email or use your Google account. But if you're more into crypto, there is also option to connect your crypto wallet like MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, Brave, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect. I personally never use my wallets to connect to any platforms for the safety reasons. I don't recommend you doing the same thing. That's why I recommend you using simple email sign-up, because it will not affect your account. So once you signed up, let's jump into our account and we are ready to do some predictions. So right here on the main screen, you can see we have trending predictions, breaking predictions, we have new predictions, and we have multiple different categories like politics, entertainment, finance, crypto. So everyone will find different options. And before we do any predictions, of course, we have to add money to our account. To do that, it's really simple. We have this button called deposit. So let's click on it. And again, we have multiple different options. So the first option is to use crypto. So if you click transfer crypto, you can select what type of token do you want to send. We have multiple different options. You have USDC, we have USDT, Matic, Solana, even Trump token. So for this example, let's select USDT. After that, you have to select the network. Right here, we also have all the popular options: Ethereum, Solana, BSC, Base. So for this example, let's use BSC. And this means you have to send USDT tokens using BSC network to this wallet. And once you send the funds, it will appear right here next to cash. Other options, again, are pretty self-explanatory. You can send money by using card or send money using PayPal, which is, I would say, pretty default on all the platforms. So once you have funds, you will see it right here next to cash. You can see I have $21 in portfolio because I have some of the trades open. I will talk about my trades a bit later. So now let's jump into the main page and let's check out some of the different trades we have open right now. So for this video, let's select something fun. For example, wars. I'm joking. Let's select who will Trump pardon in the year 2025. And we have lots of different names. For example, we have Sam Bankman-Fried from FTX. We have Diddy. We have Elon Musk. We have Hunter Biden, which is pretty unrealistic. And you can see we have these buttons, yes and no. So basically you can buy shares for yes, or you can buy shares for no, which is really similar, I would say, to sports gambling, where you can put money on one team or another team. So this is the same thing. So we can see who will win Trump pardon this year. And if you think it's going to be SBF, you can select yes. If you think it's not going to be SBF, you can select no. So if you click, for example, yes, I believe Sam Bankman-Fried is going to be pardoned, you will get this window right here. We can buy and sell. And we have two options, limit orders or market orders. So let's start from the market orders, which means you are buying this prediction, this trade at the market price. So right now, if you buy yes, which is 9.2 cents, you put, for example, $10, you can win $108. So if you ever tried sports betting, it's the same thing. You have the same thing with odds. Now it's kind of wrapped in this trading. And the huge difference is you are trading against other players, not against the bookie. So the odds change constantly. And for example, no is 91 cents, which means it's higher probability. If you put $10 and if you're right, you're only getting $11. But if you select limit orders, this allows you to select at what price would you enter this trades. So for this example, let's go something more realistic. Let's go no. And if the price goes to, I think, around 80 cents, I want to buy 10 shares. which would cost me $8 and I would win $2. So let's click buy now for limit orders. If you jump in back to your cash, open orders, you can see right now I have a limit order, which means if this prediction price goes to 80 cents, I will buy 10 shares automatically. And you can also close your orders at any time. One of the most powerful tools of this platform is actually right here. When you click more, we have leaderboards. And this is where you can find the best traders in the world. And you can see all of their trades. Basically, this allows you to spy on them and copy their trades for free. So this is a really cool part of the project, which you're not getting if you're trading with the bookies, because you cannot track other professional traders. So we have the best traders of today, this week, month, and overall. So if you click all, you can see this guy made $22 million. If you click on his name, you can actually see all of his statistics, his past activity. For example, this trader hasn't been active for 12 months. Maybe he has a new account. Also, you can select different categories. So let's go for crypto, all, and let's click on this guy. So this guy made almost $1.2 million. He is still active. You can see all of his active trades. For example, 30 minutes ago, he bought $90 position and he placed a bet that Ethereum will be above $4,300 on October 31st. So you can see what he placed. Also, you can see all of his active positions right now. And you can also check out what positions he managed to close. I believe this is one of the best tools to actually spy on the insiders, spy on some people who are smarter than me, and actually find some pretty good trades. So, okay, let's go back to the main page. Let's again click the same trade. Let's go no. I will click, let's go maybe market. I will place like $1 that I believe SBF will not be pardoned this year, which would be crazy. Buy no. If we jump in back, my cash will drop. You will see my positions right here. Let's refresh. And you can see all of my live positions. And you can sell these positions at any time. So for example, if I click sell, cash out, and you just cashed out your trade. Also, what's really cool, if your trade is not going well, for example, you selected the Lando Norris will win F1 and he is actually struggling, you can actually cash out your trade at a loss, which is really great feature if your trade is not going well, or for example, if you need to cash out early, you need some cash. And also guys, if you have any questions about what I'm talking right now, you can always ask me in the comments and I will try to answer you. And I also want to mention one last thing about Polymarkets. Actually, Polymarkets are planning to launch their own token and to do airdrop. So if you're using Polymarket platform, there's a good chance you will get some free tokens, some free cash just by using platform. So I would recommend you to actually get familiar with the platform, check out the leaderboards, maybe find some ideas and find yourself right here in the leaderboards.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.